Hey everyone, welcome back with another session of geography. So today we are supposed to discuss a new chapter, that is motions of Earth. Okay, so let's begin. Now we think that the sun moves across the sky throughout the day, isn't it? But is it really the sun that moves? So let's find this out and some other facts about Earth. Okay. Now, in the ancient times, people did believe that the sun moves around the earth and that earth is stationary. However, in the 16th century, Nicholas Copernicus, a Polish astronomer, brought to the world the idea that the sun is stationary and it is earth that moves around the sun. Moreover, Earth not only moves around the sun but also rotates on its own axis. Now, these two motions of Earth takes place simultaneously, and these are known as rotation and revolution. Alright, now first let's discuss about rotation. Now, the spinning of Earth on its own axis from west to east is called a rotation. Now, this rotation of Earth causes day and night. Earth takes about 24 hours or 1 day to move around its axis or complete one rotation. Now, the axis of Earth is an imaginary line that joins the North Pole and the South Pole through the center of the Earth. Now it makes an angle of 66.5 degree, or you can call it 66.5 degree with the plane of Earth's orbit. Alright, now it's always tilted in the same direction and to the same angle. Now, this inclination affects the lengths of day and night. And what it is? Like, suppose during the summers, we experience long days and short nights. But in the winter time, the opposite thing happens. That is, the days are short and the nights are long. Okay. Now, the inclination of the earth affects the lengths of day and night. Alright, now the circle of illumination. Now, as Earth is spherical in shape, we all know only one half of Earth, which is facing the sun, has day and the other half has night. Okay, so the imaginary line that separates the lighted or illuminated part of Earth from the darkened one is called the circle of illumination. Alright, now since the axis of Earth is tilted, the circle of illumination doesn't coincide with the axis. Understood? Now, this rotation of Earth has got its different effects. Let's see them one by one. First, that is day and night. Yes, we all know the rotation of Earth causes days and nights. Alright. Second, that is bulging of the earth at the equator and flattening at the poles. Yes, the rotation causes flattening of earth at the poles and it bulges out at the equator. Alright, next we have the deflection of winds and ocean currents. Yes guys, so this rotation also causes the deflection of winds, that is a sudden change in the direction of the wind. Also, ocean currents. Alright, next that is tides. Yes, we all know the rotation causes high tides and low tides the sea level. Okay, and lastly the apparent movement of all heavenly bodies from east to west. So that means the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. So these apparent movement of all heavenly bodies from east to west, it also takes place, it also happens due to the rotation of the earth. Alright, now next we have, that is a revolution. Now earth not only rotates on its axis, it also revolves around the sun at the same time. So, this motion of Earth around the sun along a fixed path from west to east is called a revolution. Now, the fixed path along which the Earth revolves around the sun is called its own orbit. Now, the orbit is elliptical in shape. You can call it as a bit oval shape and is 965 million kilometers in length. 965 million kilometers in length. Now, the Earth completes one revolution in 365 plus 1/4 days. Now, this 1/4 equals to 6 hours approximately. Why approximately is there? So, because it's around 5 hours 59 minutes and some seconds. Okay, so that's why approximately it's taken as 6 hours. Now, for our convenience, we considered 1 year to be of 365 days. Alright, now the extra 6 hours are added to a year after every 4 years. Alright, so these 6 4s are 24. So this adds up a day in that particular year and it makes it a year of 366 days. So the year of 366 days is called a leap year. Alright, and in a leap year, the month of February has 29 days. Alright, so as we have the effects of rotation, so we have the effects of revolution also. First is the change of season. Yes, occurrence of various seasons such as summer, winter, autumn and spring. So this happens due to this revolution of the Earth. Alright, next the varying lengths of day and night. Yes, the variation in the length of days and nights are caused due to this revolution of Earth. Alright, now third, the changing altitude of the midday sun at different times of the year. The changing altitude of the midday sun at different times of the year. In short, we can say the distribution of heat on Earth's surface. The distribution of heat on Earth's surface, it's also caused due to this revolution. Alright, so that's all we have in this session. I hope this session helped you a lot. So until the next time, bye bye.